Hey friends, if you wish to fix microphone not working on Microsoft Teams, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Teams in the Windows search bar and go to Microsoft Teams. Wait till it loads, we will wait. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Now go to the devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down. You will find the option for microphone. Make sure that the correct microphone is selected. Okay, if this doesn't help, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side and select microphone in the right pane. Now after selecting microphone in the right pane, you will have to make sure that the switch is on for Microsoft Teams. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.